Hello friends, today I am going to tell you something about the Battle of Asai. The battle that literally exposed the weakness of the Indian forces when they matched against the European intelligence, you can say, or you can say the European supremacy. Here, in the Battle of Asai, let me tell you, the two sides were there. So let us talk about the Maratha Confederacy first, that literally dig the dust, or you can say bit the dust, in the hands of Arthur Wellesley, who is popularly known as Duke of Wellington. Asai, it is in Maharashtra, and the battle took place on September 23rd, 1803. Now, let us come to the significance of the battle. Considered by the Duke of Wellington to be his finest victory. He himself said it. Even more than the Battle of Waterloo. Yes, it is Arthur Wellesley who faced Napoleon at Waterloo. Due to the intense, closely fought nature of the battle, the forces, now let us bring a comparison. Wellesley had nearly 7 to 10,000 of forces with him, where his opponent, Maratha, they were estimated to be 30,000 to 50,000, which possessed superior artillery. Now the turning point. Despite being severely outgunned, Wellesley took a risk and charged against that Maratha confederacy, and the equation was 3:1. Yet, the disciplined, relentless infantry assault and effective cavalry charges, despite high casualties, broke the Maratha lines, and they were defeated. The outcome, again, as I said, the battle was extremely bloody, resulting in over 400 British dead and 1,600 wounded. The Marathas lost nearly 100 guns, the cannons, and sustained thousands of casualties. This impact, now the political impact that we must talk about, the victory shattered the military power of Scindia-Berar alliance. That Maratha confederacy, they stitched an alliance, those two kingdoms, those princely states, Berar and Scindia, and they confronted Arthur Wellesley at Asai and were defeated. What to say then? The Maratha Confederacy lost all its supremacy, paramountcy in terms of military superiority and solidifying British dominance in central India. And again, let me tell you, this Arthur Wellesley is also known as the Duke of Wellington, the one who overthrew Napoleon. Alright, so I'm going to get you some more details on this battle in my next video. So till then, take care, goodbye, and keep studying.